everybody, this is Purple here, and I'm joined here with
me.
Alpac, and today we'll be playing some bird simulator, and we've been playing this game for about an hour now. No, not an hour. Half an hour. And we've just been learning the basics of the game. Now we're going to record an episode.
I'm a bird. We don't care. We just don't care.
And we're walking away.
Actually, you technically can't because you can't walk in this game.
Yeah.
Yet at least.
Yeah, hopefully you will. It's only alpha, so what can you expect?
Yeah. Pretty sure it's an alpha.
It says alpha on the title.
Oh my god, yes. I'm gonna do a full bird of prey thing on it right here.
Oh wait, no, I'm a fletchling.
Birds of prey!
I was playing as a bird that eats flowers before, but this one eats bugs.
Man, I was about to die too.
I need the food.
This is an amazing game.
Dude,
I literally was just browsing around on the front page and I found this and I'm like, how the frick is this on the top page? I thought it was supposed to be I thought it was just a joke. It's a legit game. How?
Yeah. Oh, please tell me that's a bug. Oh, that's another bird. Oh, my seed! Mine. When. I hate that. Fetchling. I'm just gonna call these things fetchling, even though that's a Pokemon. Ah, dang it, that's super small.
I eat you. Is that you?
No.
You're a house fletch, right?
Yeah.
I'm a crow, man. I am MLG. I don't care about nothing. Yeah, I'm like by a lot of fletches. Finch. Why did I call it fletch? It's not a fletch. Fletch isn't even a bird. I am stupid, and I apologize.
Yeah.
Spider, listen. Eat the spider.
There's Tommy.
No, mine.
Question of the day. If you want to, comment down in the comments. But the question of the day is, what is your favorite bird? Mine is a blue jay.
I have no idea what mine is because I don't care about birds. It's not like I'm a bird or anything. How is someone actually able to see that? There was a super small nut. Like, it's just there. It's sitting there. Slug, how you doing?
Don't do that slug. I need the slug. No,
I ate the slug already. Wait, I want to eat a bee. Yum. Eat the bee. Eat the bee. Eat the bee. Yes, I ate the bee.
I'm going to die. There is no food in sight.
Should we go over to the penis rock?
Yeah, we have a penis-shaped rock.
Yeah, we call it the family rock. I call it the penis rock.
Yeah.
Because
everything is basically shaped like
everything, even our tree home is shaped like